Welcome to 3459 Henrietta, Hartford. This 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 4,000 square foot home is located in Tennyson section of Park West, one of Mount Pleasant's most desirable neighborhoods.
The home is well positioned within 3 miles of the Mount Pleasant's award-winning schools, as well as the Mount Pleasant Recreation Department and their largest athletic campus.
Let's take a look inside. The newly renovated kitchen features gorgeous white marble countertops. Highlights include the gas cooktop, double ovens, vegetable sink, and mosaic tile backsplash.
The owner's suite is located on the main floor with a fully renovated, luxurious bathroom with walk-in dual shower and custom closets.
The screen porch is perfect for bird watching or reading a book. And also you have this covered area for grilling out with your friends.
Or simply sit back and relax.
This home has extraordinary outdoor living space. You have a saltwater pool, you have bonfire space, and also your very own putting green. I'm Amy Templeton.
And I'm Milo Pilkington.
We're the Templeton Group with Daniel Ravenel, Sotheby's International Realty.